saying that it feels right.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different because we're in the kitchen today. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make rice. So it is the easiest, fastest way to ever cook rice. And hopefully you'll like it. Hopefully you'll try it for yourself. Let's get into it. For this video, you're gonna need the world's finest basmati rice. Just kidding, any kind of rice that you want to use. You're gonna need salt. I'm using this salt for some reason. And you're gonna need oil. Obviously, you're just gonna need a little bit. And this one is heart healthy, so you don't even need to worry about it. Okay, so step 1 is you have to measure 2 cups of rice. 2 cups, of course, depending on how many people you have to cook for. I washed the rice, wash it very well, just because I like all the food to be clean. And yeah, washing the rice takes a long time just because I like my food clean. So wash it a couple of times, get rid of the water, and then you can start cooking. Now we're gonna add a little bit of oil to the pan thing, to the pot. Just a little bit, just enough to cover the whole thing, as you could see in the video. Obviously, add the rice and make sure that all the rice is in the pot. Add water enough to cover the whole rice. So keep adding water until you see that it's enough and that it's covering the whole thing. You know, you could, like, I don't use measurements, which is not really smart, but I think I use my eyes as my measurement. So yeah, whatever looks enough for me. Next step is we are going to be adding the salt, depending on how much salt you want, of course. Us Arabs like our food salty, which is not really good. Of course, I'm not going to add all of that. I put a lot of salt in that spoon. But you take salt with your hand and then you just sprinkle it on top of the rice. Just add the salt with your hands on top of the rice. So depending on how much salt you want. And in the end, if the food is not salty, then you could have the salt shaker and people could add as much as they want. Next step is we're just going to cover the rice and wait for it to cook. Now, this is not going to take a long time. All of this process is going to take less than 30 minutes. Making this rice takes less than 30 minutes. Anyways, so by the time we wait for the rice to cook, now we could have a conversation. So for example, hi, how are you? How you been? How's your day? How are you so far? When is your birthday? And how is school? How is work? How's family? How's your pets? How's your dog and your cat? And how's the birds? And how's your car? How's the neighbors? How's the neighborhood? How is life? How is the earth and the world around you? Okay, so right now we could see that the rice has holes in it. And once you see that the rice have holes in it, you know that it cooked. So right now we're gonna lower the temperature because we're gonna put the stove all the way low, on the lowest heat, and just flip the rice, cover it again, and just leave it there and wait for it to cook. Okay, so right now you're just gonna leave it on low heat and wait for it to get ready until you're ready to serve it, obviously with a side dish. Does it take a long time for the rice to cook? Not really. Now the only thing you do is just leave it there, wait for it to cook, because it's on it's on low heat, so it's just gonna be there for as long as you leave it. As soon as your other side dish is ready, and then you could put the rice in the plate with the food, and it's gonna taste fabulous, you know. As you can see, guys, the rice is It's all done. It is edible right now. There's no water. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is our final product. I hope you liked it. It smells, tastes, and looks absolutely delicious. I hope you tried it for yourself. Hopefully you liked the rice, hopefully you tried it for yourself. If it needs more salt, then you could add more salt at the end, because some people don't like their food salty. Us personally, we do. So tell me if it was easy to follow, if you liked it. If it gets much views, I will probably make another cooking video, because I am the best chef in the whole world. I promise you. And you're gonna love my food. Did you subscribe yet? Are you commenting? Did you like the video? Did you dislike the video? Any feedback is good. Please guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, share, comment, like, again. Make 100 emails and keep liking my videos.